Hello guys, this is Sukhuda Kotak this side from EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ 28 अक्टूबर 2022. Before starting with the current affairs for the day, don't forget to follow our Instagram channel EduCARE Official, जहां पे आपको रेगुलरली एग्जाम रिलेटेड अपडेट्स दी जाएंगी, साथ ही साथ आपके लिए डेली क्विज भी कंडक्ट करी जाती है. The first current affair for the day is Government of India has granted environmental clearance for the indigenously developed genetically modified mustard seeds. The latest decision has paved the way for the commercial use of its first genetically modified food crop. Notably, India दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा इंपोर्टर है edible oils का, जहां पे कंट्री tens of billions of dollars each year जो है वो स्पेंड करती है. India has been streamlining the regulations for the development of the genome-edited plants. Defense Minister ने dedicate किए 75 border road projects from the country's last village, Shyok in the Leh. The projects in the Leh are 45 bridges, 27 roads and 2 helipads जो cover करने वाले हैं states को जो international borders share कर रहे हैं. ये include करते हैं जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, लद्दाख, सिक्किम एंड राजस्थान. डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ने कॉम्प्लीमेंट किया है बॉर्डर रोड्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को फॉर टचिंग द न्यू हाइट्स विद द डेडिकेशन इन प्रोवाइडिंग द लास्ट माइल कनेक्टिविटी एंड फुलफिलिंग द स्ट्रेटेजिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स. इन्होंने इनॉग्रेट किया एक कार्बन न्यूट्रल रेसिडेंशियल कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड 2 हेलीपैड्स इन द लद्दाख. India and European Union co-chair 6th high-level dialogue on the migration and mobility. India and European Union ने co-chair किया 6th high-level dialogue on the migration and mobility. During the dialogue, countries ने talks किए regarding the issues related to the promotion of safe, orderly and regular migration. इसका जो 5th edition है dialogue का वो हुआ था दिल्ली में सन 2019 में. As per the MEA, the representatives of the other line ministries, including the Home Affairs Ministry, Skill Development, and the Ministry of Labor and Employment, were also represented in the Indian delegation. दोनों sides ने अपना satisfaction express किया at the successful implementation of the India-EU Common Agenda on the Migration and the Mobility. Union Minister Amit Shah ने फाउंडेशन स्टोन ले डाउन किया ऑफ द ऑर्बिटल रेल कॉरिडोर प्रोजेक्ट फरीदाबाद में इन द स्टेट ऑफ हरियाणा. हरियाणा ऑर्बिटल रेल कॉरिडोर दैट इज HORC प्रोजेक्ट इंडिया में ट्रांसपोर्ट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कॉरिडोर प्रोजेक्ट जो हरियाणा में है उसी का हिस्सा है इन द अप्रूव्ड मास्टर प्लान फॉर द नेशनल कैपिटल रीजन. HORC एक न्यू इलेक्ट्रिफाइड डबल ब्रॉड गॉज रेल लाइन होने वाला है अराउंड 126 किलोमीटर्स का, जो स्टार्ट होगा पालावाल से लेकर के सोनीपत तक, जो पास होगा सोहाना, मनेसर एंड खुर्दवा हरियाणा में से एंड बाईपास होगा दिल्ली से. इंडिया और यूएस कंडक्ट करने वाला है युद्ध अभ्यास एट औली इन उत्तराखंड नियर चाइना बॉर्डर फ्रॉम नवंबर 15 टू December 2. ये 18th युद्ध अभ्यास होगा वॉर गेम्स का between India and US to help and enhance the interoperability between the two sides. Starting with the daily current affair quiz, the first question for the day is which airport in India has been ranked as the world's 10th busiest airport? The next question is Tesla's chief Elon Musk has taken over which social media platform? The next question is which country has become the first in the Pacific to host the World Hindi Conference? The next question is Samriddhi, a one-time property tax anxiety scheme, has been released by which of the following state or union territory? Please mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving a correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. Coming to the answers of the questions asked in the previous video, the first question was Who has been awarded as the 2022 Sakharov Prize for the freedom of thought? The correct answer is Ukrainian people. The next question is, which country has passed the Plain Language Act? The correct answer is New Zealand. The next question was, who has been named the captain of the Indian hockey team for the FIH Pro League 2022-23? The correct answer is Harmanpreet Singh. That's it, guys. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for daily current affair videos. For classroom, live class, recorded lecture, books and ebooks facilities, contact on the number which you can see on your screens. For more such information, download the app from the link which is given in the description box below.